What happened?
I don't know, Mike. I was vacuuming and I was in that door. This door was unlocked. This door was unlocked. That door was unlocked. And I closed that door. So open this door and I'm like, I realized that door was locked. So I went back to that one and that one was locked and all of this locked.
I understand.
And the key is like right in the seat right there.
Okay, the price for unlock this car is $129, okay?
Okay.
You pay...
You take card. Debit card.
I accept debit card. Thank you.
Yeah, like you said, this was unlocked.
Yeah.
I didn't want to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Thank you, man.
No,
Lifesaver, Papa.
I send the receipt.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my friend, okay?
You about to get another job now, too?
Thank you.
So it worked out.
Yeah, let me move that one.
All right, thank you.
Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. My name is Jose. It's running? Okay, you pay cash or credit card?
It would be credit because I do not have cash on me.
Okay, this is $149, okay?
Okay. So I don't have a choice.
What is the year to this truck?
I'm sorry?
What is the year to this truck?
19.
I like this truck.
Thank you. I love it. It's my Mother's Day gift.
Yeah.
That works. Now I probably have to unlock it. Oh, okay. So it doesn't even set the alarm off.
Oh, it's running. The car is running.
So that's why the alarm didn't go off?
Yes, of course.
But yet, it's just like that?
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's my card. Okay. Well, this was an expensive car wash today.
Yeah.
Do you have business cards?
I have business card, yes.
You may want to leave it with them.
Okay, okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.